Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GA4 e-commerce tracking with Shopify step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Preferences to access your store's tracking settings. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section. If you haven't already set up Google Analytics, create a new GA4 property in your Google Analytics account. Copy the measurement ID from your GA4 property dashboard. Return to your Shopify admin panel. In the Google Analytics section, paste your measurement ID. Check the box to enable enhanced e-commerce tracking. Next, go to your Shopify theme editor by selecting Online Store then Themes. Click on Customize next to your active theme. In the theme editor, click on Actions and then select Edit Code. Locate the theme.liquid file within the layout directory. Insert the GA4 global site tag script just before the closing /head tag. Return to your GA4 property and set up your data streams. Configure any specific events related to e-commerce, like purchases and product views. Test your e-commerce tracking by going through the purchasing flow on your Shopify store. Use the debug view in GA4 to verify that the events are firing correctly. Check the real-time report to confirm that data is flowing into your GA4 property. Review your GA4 settings to customize any additional data points you want to track. Your GA4 e-commerce tracking with Shopify is now fully set up and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.